Good morning, students. So, this is the last session of unitary method, and today we are going to finish this chapter. So, let's understand few more question based on unitary method. The question is saying that A and B take 6 hours and 9 hours respectively to complete a work. Okay. A is taking 6 hours and B is taking 9 hours to complete a work. Okay. A works for 1 hour and then B works for 2 hours. Okay. So the question is saying that how much work is done in these 3 hours. The first part is asking that how much work is done in 3 hours by both A and B. Okay. And how much work is still left. Okay. So as you all know that the things which are being given, we have to write it first. Okay. So I have written A can do a work in 6 hours. B and first, if A can do a work in 6 hours, so if A is doing the same work in 1 hour, that is 1 upon 6th of the work, means out of total work, A is doing 1 upon 6th part of that work. If B can do a work in 9 hours, okay, so in 1 hour, B is doing 1 upon 9th of the work. Okay, out of total work, B is doing 1 upon 9th. Okay, so if B is working for 2 hours, here you can see that B works for 2 hours. So B works for 2 hours means it will do 2 upon 9th of the work. Clear? Okay. So the first part is saying that if A and B work in 3 hours, question is just like that ki how much work is done in these 3 hours. So the work done in 3 hours means 1 upon 6 plus 2 upon 9, that is 7 upon 18. Clear? Now see the second part. The work left, suppose this is 1. Okay, clear? So you will minus the work that is done in 3 hours. 7 upon 18 means when you take out the LCM, so that is 11 upon 18. I think you have understood this question very carefully, student, because this is very important question. Let's see few more question based on the similar thing. Students, the next question is saying that Joseph and Peter can complete a work in 20 hours and 25 hours. Means Joseph is completing a work in 20 hours and Peter is taking 25 hours respectively. So the first part is asking work done by both together in 4 hours. Second, work left after both work together for 4 hours. And time taken by Peter to complete the remaining work. So now let's see. Slowly we will understand it. Okay, and I will speak slowly so that you may also get this. Okay, so as Joseph can do a work in 20 hours, it is given. So I'm writing here given, that is in the question. So if Joseph is doing a work in 1 hour, so how much work means how much portion of the work he is doing, that is 1 upon 20. Okay, this is 20, means out of the total work he is doing 1 upon 20th part of the work. And if Joseph is taking 4 hours to do a work, because we have to find out the total work in 4 hours of both A and B. So first I have took out of Joseph. that how much part of work he is doing in 4 hours. So that is 4 upon 20th of the work. Clear? Now this is also given. See, Peter can do a work in 25 hours given in the question. So if Peter is taking 1 hour, so how much portion he will do, means out of the total work how much portion he will complete? That is 1 upon 25th of work. Okay, and if Peter is taking 4 hours, so he will do 4 upon 25th of the work. Clear? Means simply, as you know, we are keeping the formula that I have told you in the previous session. So from there it is coming. Okay, now the first part was asking that work done by both together in 4 hours. So in 4 hours they are doing 4 upon 20th of the work, and Peter, means Joseph, is doing 4 upon 28th, and Peter is doing 4 upon 25th. So work done by both A and B, 4 upon 20 plus 4 upon 25. Take out the LCM, this is coming 100. Now as you know that 20 plus 16, because 25 za and 5 4 za is 20, and 25 4 za is 100, and 4 4 za is 16. So 36 upon 100, again cut it out and you will get 9 upon 25. Okay, 9 upon 25 they are taking, means they are completing the work. Out of the total work they are completing 9 upon 25th of work. Clear? So work left in 4 hours, that will be 1 minus 9 upon 25. Okay, and that is 16 upon 25. I hope you can do this easy part, how to take out the LCM. Okay, now the third part was saying that time taken by Peter to complete the remaining work. So the total work is this, and Peter is taking 25 hours. Okay, as it is given in the question. So he will do the work in 25 multiply by 16 upon 25. Okay, why? Because this was the time that is taken by the Peter, 25. Okay, and the work that was doing by both of them, okay, was 9 upon 25. Okay, and the work left is 16 upon 25. So this was the work left. So if he is doing the same work alone, so the time taken by him multiply by the left part. So after then we are just simply cutting it. 25 will be cut and you are getting 16 hours. I hope it is clear. Let's see the next question. So now the third question is, A completes a piece of work in 4 days and B completes it in 6 days. So how long will it take to complete the same work if they both work on it together? Okay, so first write the given one, that the part that is given in the question. So A does the work in 4 days and B does the work in 6 days. Clear? This is the given part. So if A is doing the work in 1 day, so that will be 1 upon 4th part of the work. Clear? And if B is doing the work in one day, that will be 1 upon 6 part of the work. Clear? And the question is asking if A and B both work on it together. So first we will take out if A and B work together in one day, means in one day, if A and B is working in one day and they are working together, so this will be 1 upon 4 plus 1 upon 6, and you know the LCM will be 12. 4 3s is 12 and 6 2s is 12, so 5 upon 12. Clear? Hence A and B together will complete the work in 12 upon 5 days. Okay, if they are doing the same work but not in one day, so this will be 12 upon 5. Clear? And if you will solve it further also, so you will get 2 upon 5 days. I hope you have understood it very clearly. So I have made you to solve 6 questions related to time and work. Okay, and I hope when I will give you the assignment, you can solve it, okay, based on time and work in chapter 7 unitary method. And if you are getting any problem regarding this part of time and work or regarding unitary method, please ask me on time. Okay, thank you.